wanna be forward, don't wanna cross a line. But if I were to crash in this plane tonight, I'd want you to know this. Don't wanna say too much, intrude on your space. But if I were to crash and I never made it home,
I love it.
I'd want you to know. I wanna eat pancakes for dinner, I wanna get stuck in your head, I wanna watch a TV show together, and when we're under the weather we can watch it in bed. I wanna go out on the weekends, I wanna dress up just to get undressed. I think that I should probably tell you this in case there is an accident and I never see you again. So please save all your questions for the end, and maybe I'll be brave enough by then.